In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a message in Google Chat. By the end, you'll know exactly how to keep important notes, links, and decisions easy to find for yourself and your team. First, open Google Chat in your web browser. You can go directly to the Google Chat website or open it from within your Google account if it's integrated there. Give it a second to load your recent conversations. You'll see your direct messages and spaces listed in the sidebar. Next, open the space or conversation where the message lives. A space is a group conversation, often used for teams or projects, while a direct message is a one-on-one or small group chat. Click into the one that contains the content you want to keep handy. Now, find the message you want to keep. This might be a key announcement, a file link, a deadline, or instructions you don't want to lose in the scroll. If the chat is long, scroll up at a steady pace. You can also scan for the sender's avatar, a particular date, or a keyword you remember to help you spot it faster. Take a moment to confirm it's the exact message you want pinned, especially if there are similar ones nearby. Once you've located it, hover your mouse over the message. On desktop, moving your cursor across that message will reveal a small set of quick action icons to the right. Don't click anything yet. Just pause your pointer over the message so the options stay visible. Now click the three dots, also known as the More Options menu. It usually appears as a vertical ellipsis beside the message. This opens a short menu of actions you can take on that specific message. From that menu, click Pin. When you do, Google Chat will mark the message as pinned. You should see a small pin indicator, and depending on your workspace settings, others in the conversation may also see that it's been pinned. Pinned messages are designed to surface the important stuff so it doesn't get buried, and they're typically accessible from the conversation's details or a pinned section, making them quick to revisit later. If you change your mind, you can unpin the message from the same three dots menu. Keep in mind that pinning behavior can vary slightly based on your organization's settings. In most cases, pins are visible to everyone in the space, and some roles may have limited permissions. That's it. You've successfully pinned a message in Google Chat, keeping key information front and center for whenever you need it.